It's a nice gray day in Hong Kong. Let's go for a little bit of a walk on that little bridge right there, or pier. It's a temporary one because you can see over there they are actually building a real one over there, but it's taken a very long time to do that. Anyway, let's go for a walk down there and see what it's like to walk on that. I'm kind of curious. Well, so we'll just go around here. You can see all the buildings around here. They're actually like houses are like 3 floors high, which is pretty much normal, you could say. Let's just go for a walk. And you can see here, there's the beach down there, and they've got this little pier, plastic pier. Just kind of curious what it's like to go onto that. I don't think I'll like it. I'll probably be bounced around a lot. Probably feel a little weird because you're walking on water, or plastic on water. Anyway, let's have a look, see what it's like out here. Feels weird. Feels like a soft sponge, and you can see here as I'm walking here, you can see it's moving below my feet. Some guy down there fishing. Oh, it just feels really strange. You guys would really want to see how that's moving like a wave. So this plastic thing's floating on the waves here. Let's look around out here. Just look at this. Now, I'm not going to go too close to the edge here, just in case a big wave comes and I end up into the water. But anyway, this is what this place looks like. Just look at that. Now, I'm going to zoom in a little bit there so you can see a little closer what it's like here. So here we are zooming in. Just look at this place. All these little small fishing boats that you see out in the sea. You can see I'm moving here. Feels really weird. Feels like there's an earthquake below my feet. We'll just quickly turn around here, let you have a look, zoom out again. And that's what it looks like up on Ma Wan shore there. So this is an old fishing village. It's about 15 minutes walk from the bus stop, but just look at this. This feels just super weird. Anyway, we're gonna get back walking to the shore here. Just feels really super strange. You can feel the waves just going underneath your feet as you're walking across this. This is all plastic, right? It's not cement. Really strange feeling. I wish you could come here and feel this. It's almost like stepping on a sponge or a bubble, and hopefully this bubble sponge doesn't burst. But anyway, you can see out there they're doing a lot of fishing, and that's it from here in Ma Wan. Anyway, I thought I'd let you see this because I thought this was kind of strange. But anyway, thanks for watching. See you all soon, and remember to take care out there.